What's up? I'm going to post a video today talking about how to put in a new insulin pump site without your inserter. I ran into this over this past weekend while on vacation, and believe it or not, there were no videos online showing how to do this. So for today's sake though, I'm not actually going to do it because it did hurt a little bit more than the regular inserter, but I'm going to show you the exact steps on how to do it. So take this out of it. All you're going to end up doing is, let's say you already have it primed and everything's ready, set to go. What you're going to do is you're going to pull off this blue cap, and there's the needle, right? So what you're gonna end up doing next is you're gonna pull off the tape, pull off both pieces of tape. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna act like this is just a normal shot. You're gonna get up, you're gonna get cleaned up wherever your spot's gonna end up being. And let's say it's here, for example. You're gonna hold out the skin, and you're gonna prick yourself all the way in. So you'd stick it all the way in just like a needle. And what you're gonna then do is place down the tape. And actually make sure that it's all the way in you, because the cannula, the rubber piece, I guess, around the needle has to make sure that it gets in you. Once it's in seated nice and firm, go ahead and just pull off the blue tab. The needle's gonna come out and you should be good to go. Good luck.